Welcome back to our channel. So today we will be discussing the solution. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So this playlist is made to for the solutions of Google Cloud Arcade June level 1 solutions. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this playlist we will find the solution of Google Cloud Arcade June 2024 level 1 solutions. So it is an introductory video. So let's scroll. So different level of June 2024 arcade program are live. You can go and participate in these program and share the video whosoever is going to participate in this program. So if you wanna to participate in the Google Cloud Arcade program level 1 June 2024, click on the start button. Now from at the top you can sign in through your email ID. So click on the sign in option. Now click sign in with your email ID. Let it open. So I am signing through my email ID. So click on the join this game. For the access code, come back to the arcade program. Copy the access code from here. Then paste it here and click on the join button. So you are joined into this program. So let's get started. Let's start with this chart here. Do not skip module. Click on this chart module. Click on this chart lab. So lab is started. I understand that I must activate the arcade to be eligible for arcade point and prize. So click on I understand, click on submit. I understand that the prizes are not available immediately when I complete a challenge. Prizes become available when the prize counter open. Click on I understand and submit. I understand that I must opt in to receive information about the arcade including the price counter. If I do not opt in, I confirm that I do not want prizes. So if you want prizes and reward from the arcade program, so please subscribe to their subscribe your email ID in this program. Click on I understand and submit. I understand that the price counter open at the end of session, not before. I understand. Click on submit. I understand that the price counter operate on a first come first serve basis while supplies last. So click on I understand, submit. I understand that I can only redeem point while price counter is open, not before and not after. Click on I understand and submit. I understand that unused arcade point expire after 6 months. So whenever the price counter open, you should redeem your points. Click on I understand and submit. I understand that arcade points are only awarded for the first instance of the earned patches. Click on I understand, submit. I understand that items cannot be shipped to countries on the list of USA Treasury Department sections program, and the following countries: Pakistan, Bangladesh, Iran, Iraq, North Korea, Crimea, Cuba, Svaspola City, and Syria. Click on I understand, submit. Now, when do the price related email go out? So its answer is after this session end, but not immediately after the game end. Click submit. Have you completed 5 minutes in this quiz? So here you can see I have not completed 5 minutes. So do not leave before 5 minutes. Your progress will not be will not be present. So wait for 5 minutes, then leave this lab. Then you will get a green tick on your profile. So now I have completed 5 minutes. So I can leave this lab. So click yes, I have completed 5 minutes and click on submit. Now you can leave the lab. Click on end lab. You can yeah, now you can go back to see that you have got green tick here. So like and share the video to your friend circle whosoever is participating in this arcade program. So all the solutions of further labs will be given in this channel. So please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icons so that you get the important update as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in next video.